Do you regularly post on social media? Of course you do. But if you're a student, do you know how dangerous this can be? Hi, this is Raj Srivastava, your favorite marketing professor, and today I'm going to talk about how dangerous social media postings can be if you're a student and especially when you apply for a job. Let me talk about four things that you should be very careful of when if you're a student and when you post on social media. First, be careful of what you post because what's funny when you were 16 does not appear funny when you're 18 or 21. What's very cute and funny at 21 does not look funny at all when it is seen through the employer's eyes. When I say think before you post, I mean everything what you post. These are angry musings that you are posting, something funny that you saw, some picture that you saw, or God forbid, when you're drunk, you post. Those things do not look very good from the eyes of employers. They are going to judge you. They don't know you. The only way they can judge you is through these postings. Another thing which we do not think twice is to send private messages. Nothing is private on internet. Be very careful. What I would advise you is what you not send your parent, you should not send it to anybody, because what you thought was private message, what you thought will expire in 24 hours or 48 hours will be there forever on a screenshot. So be very careful of what you send it to your friend. It's not that your friends are going to say that or talk behind you. What might happen is the employers might get their hands on it. And that's what is dangerous for students. Second, monitor your handles and profiles. Make sure you give names that are nice, not funny or not sexy or not using curse words. Those do not make sense later when you are older or when you're looking for a job. Stay active, but don't feel compelled to buy followers. You can do that. I know you can do that. But when employers find that out, it sounds very insecure, very stagey. Nobody wants to hire people who have those kind of actions in their past. What do employers want? They want good and healthy content, which is good. It's not that they want anything unreasonable. You should post something which is good, something which is very healthy. If you're a junior, I would go back and look at all my posting of last 5 to 10 years. Delete the pictures that they're just not good. Remember, what was funny at 15 is not going to be funny at 22, and definitely not funny through the eyes of employers. Go and scrub your background. I don't mean the floor. What I mean is go back and delete anything that is inappropriate, anything that has cuss words in it, anything that you think today does not reflect who you are. There is a chance they will be able to find that, but make it difficult for them to find those things. Delete them. Yes, somebody might have a screenshot of it. Nothing you can do about that. But at least don't keep those postings that are of poor taste still available on your social media apps. Just remember, you cannot completely scrub unnecessary things from your background or from your social media app. But try and reduce, delete as much as you can. If somebody wants to really look into it, they can, but most of the people will not be able to find the postings that you have already deleted. And last, make sure that those few friends who photo tag you in all kinds of pictures to stop doing that. Because I know you can tell later that, hey, this was not my posting, somebody tagged me on it, but try and avoid that. I know this is tricky. You have gone back and deleted every inappropriate content that you ever posted. But I know friends might tag you. Tell them to stop doing that, especially those friends who love to tag their friends on content that they think is funny or inappropriate. Tell them you're looking for a job. Tell them employers will not like this. That will at least explain to them that, yeah, they should not do that. Go look at your settings of your social media, who can tag you. Take time to thoroughly understand the privacy setting of your social media. Maybe you can remove that auto tag process. Maybe people cannot tag you. Things like that, especially when you are about to graduate and you're looking for a job, or even you're a high school student trying to apply admission in some really good schools. Treat social media like an acquaintance with whom you would know a little bit, say hello sometimes, and maybe occasional lunch once in a month. Stay far from posting every day and posting inappropriate content. You don't want social media to become your best friend where it becomes a source where you vent everything out. That does not look good. I know some people say, well, it's my privacy, or what I post is my personal thing. I understand that. But remember, you cannot stop an employer to look into your background. Hence, if you want to look for a good job, make sure you do not have any kind of inappropriate content, especially if it is inappropriate related to alcohol, inappropriate related to opposite gender, or inappropriate related to somebody well known. You do not want to, especially political or religious, stay away from that. Remember, your aim is to get a good job, a good internship. For that, you need to present yourself as a good candidate. You do not want to be that person who has got very racy comment or inappropriate picture. If I was an employer and I wanted to hire you, I would not hire you if you had racist comments, if you had inappropriate content. I would not. And I'm pretty sure most employer also would not. Let me know what other topics you want me to discuss. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my TikTok handle, Dr. Raj Prof, where I post more frequently, and take especially good care of yourself.